So how do we in APES flip our classroom? Well, first we had to have a website that we were comfortable with manipulating, and we chose to use a Google site. And then we decided to use YouTube so we could post our videos and create a link to a YouTube video for our students to access. So then we needed to record our lectures with any type of capture software. Lindsay Sanders taught us how to use Screencast-O-Matic. So that's the one that we do, and that's one we use. And then we save the lecture to YouTube. I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. And then we're going to link the lectures to our Google site. That way the students can simply click on a hyperlink and go straight to the YouTube. And then, of course, we'll use our new clickers to assess the students. So the first thing we need to do is record our lectures. And we go here to screencast-o-matic.com, and you can set up a free account, and it's good for up to 15 minutes of data. We went ahead and went pro because that way we can go for longer if we need to, or we can actually go back and edit instead of having to start from scratch. When we first started doing this, we had to start from scratch if we ever had a mess up or an error. And when you first start doing it, you're kind of uncomfortable, so there are more errors. Okay, so once you actually have recorded your lecture or whatever it is you want to use, then you save it to your computer. And after you save it to your computer, you're going to upload it to YouTube. And the way you do this is we're already logged in as Brookwood Apes. You simply click on the upload button. And we have usually a file on each of our units with our screencast for that unit. I'm just picking one we've already done. When you go back later on to click on the screencast from this lecture, it's actually going to be posted this screencast itself. So anyway, I'm just picking one, and it's going to be uploading a video we did. And you see here, uploading your video, 1 minute remaining, but your video will be live at, boom! So here we have ourselves a link. So I'm going to copy the link, and now I'm going to go to our Google Docs site that we set up. And Google, this is free as well. And I'm going to edit the page. Okay, and then you can actually type in, this is going to be, we'll call this practice screencast. And then you just simply highlight it, go to hyperlink. You have to type in the web address, practice screencast, and that is our YouTube site. Click OK. Alrighty, we save it. And it should be live. So now you'll go down and it'll look something like that, and the students can click on it. And of course, with your Google site, you can edit it however you want and make it look however you want it to look like. So you've seen screencast-o-matic.com, how we actually record our lessons. And obviously, if you don't want to record your own, we've given you some resources where you can find the website of your choosing. Khan Academy is a really good one. Then you go to YouTube to upload the video after you have saved it to your folder. And then you go to whatever site you choose. We choose Google to actually paste it on there. Lastly, we learned from the lovely ladies in our Media Center how to create a QR code. So if you'd like to scan this code right now, you certainly are welcome to, and it will take you directly to the website, our Google site, on a Flipping Your Classroom. Thanks for listening.